Hi friends, in this video I am going to present you how to apply double frame black picture style in PowerPoint 365. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we want to apply double frame black picture style in this presentation. Insert a picture in another slide. Click the new slide, then choose blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and click picture option, then choose this device. Now I insert this picture and resize the picture some small. Then click the picture and go to the picture format menu. Then select the quick style drop down menu. Then choose double frame black option. Now we can see here we make this picture double frame black very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.